I love micheladas. It's got spice, it's got heat, it's got the saltiness and the lime. I love this stuff. We're gonna use Clamato for our michelada. Clamato is a tomato juice which has clam broth in it and spices. I am using picante. I want this to be spicy, so I went ahead and bought picante. You don't have to. And let me tell you, if you can't find Clamato, you can also make this with tomato juice. You're gonna find this pretty easily in the United States, and I don't know, other countries. Let me know in your comments if you can find these Clamato in your country or not. But once you open it, you have to refrigerate it. And this is also used for seafood cocktails in Mexico. We're also gonna use Tajin, which is ground chilies with lime and salt. I love Tajin in a lot of things. Well, we're gonna use it for our michelada. We're going to use chamoy. I've made my micheladas without chamoy when I can't find it, so don't worry about it, but if you can, this will give it an extra level of flavor. This is sweet and salty. It's used a lot on fruit and vegetables. We're gonna put some in our mix. I usually just eyeball this, but today I'm gonna try and measure it so that you can make it measuring if you want. So we're gonna shake the Clamato. So let's put 1 cup of Clamato in here. Let's call it a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. You don't want too much of this, but you definitely want it in there. I'm gonna put habanero sauce in this. You can use any pepper sauce you want or none, depending on how spicy you want this to be. I'm doing 1/2 teaspoon. If you want it spicier, knock yourself out. I'm gonna sprinkle some Tajin in there. 1/4 teaspoon maybe. Lime juice. I'm putting a whole lime in there. And I'll do 1/2 teaspoon of chamoy. Let's mix it. Let's taste it. Oh, yum. I have equal parts of Tajin and salt in this bowl. So now I'm going to rub lime on the rim of my glass. And I'm going to cover it with the Tajin and salt. You can also do this with just the Tajin if you'd like. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of chamoy down the sides of my glass. And now, a matter of preference. You can put a little bit of ice in there or none. So we're gonna add some of our mix. That's enough for me. I like to taste my beer as well. And now we're gonna add the beer. I'm using Corona Extra. You can use Modelo, use the beer you want. We got a little bit left over for me. Put a little lime on the glass and we serve it. I'm gonna squeeze a little more lime in here. Let me know at the bottom if you like to put ice in your beer or not. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button, guys. Thanks for watching. Salud.